video setup in 2025? Small Rig team up with Brandon Lee to create something special. And today, I'm showing you why this kit could change the way you shoot with your smartphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Small Rig X Brandon Lee all-in-one mobile video kit and the co-design edition that's built by creator for the creators. If you shoot a content with your smartphone, this could be that kit that level up everything. Right out of the box, it feels premium. You get a sturdy cage, hand grips, cable management, cold shoe mount, and the design is sleek, modular, and incredibly creator focused. No fluff, just what you need. This kit isn't just a stylish, it's functional. Every part of this was co-designed by Brandon Lee, a travel filmmaker who knows the struggle of mobile shooting. It's compact, lightweight, and solid. Even the grip feels natural for longer shooting sessions. Here's what I love. Cold shoe mounts for lights and mics, NATO rails for a quick attachment, built-in cable clamps so your mic cable stays secure, easily switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. It's made for a quick content creator, whether you are vlogging, doing interviews, or shooting B-roll at the go. If you're a mobile filmmaker, vlogger, or content creator who wants a professional setup without going for your mirrorless, this is for you. It's perfect for travel, run and gun shots, or even behind the scene filmmaking. So what do you think? Is the Small Rig X Brandon Lee worth the smartphone filmmakers in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because more mobile filmmaker content is on the way.
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.